Alright guys, so let's do the house tour, man. So as you can see right there, this is the kitchen space. You understand? So yeah, like it's very huge. There's a lot of cupboards, and I finally can put all of my food there. You understand? So this is gonna be the stove. Yeah, it's very dope. As you can see there, there's the lights and those things. You know what it is. So let me turn this off. But then yeah, I was cooking yesterday, so yeah, I have a little bit of food. I was cooking beef, but then yeah, so far so nice. It's very clean. I just have to wash the dishes right there, right? The ones I was using yesterday. And yeah, man, microwave and the kettle. I also have to add in an air fryer. I don't know why. Maybe just to cook food a bit easier, because I'm usually lazy most of the time, because I'm usually at the charts, right? So here is everything, and then here is just my spices and everything, and extra food as well. It's there, you understand? And then here, okay, I just put there, I don't know why, but then there stays my snacks. You understand? I have a whole lot of snacks in the house, right? So snacks there. And then this side, okay, I haven't sorted things properly, but then it's just stuff. And then those are my cereals as well. I have the muesli, the cocoa pops, the what's that, the rusks, and the cornflakes, and then there's milk and more food. So yeah, pretty much packed, man, pretty much packed. So kitchen space done, and right there is my fridge, right? My fridge is there. Yeah, I feel like that's the best part, man, because I don't know where to put the other stuff. But yeah, the fridge is just fine. Maybe move it there on the corner, I don't know, so that I can have more passage space. You understand? But then that's done. Now we're going to the sitting room area, right? So it's one big huge thing, and it's an open kitchen plan, whatever they call it, right? So yeah, this is the sofa. You know this stuff by now. And then yeah, but I like that there's a lot of space now, because as you can see right there, there's my setup as well. My trading setup is over there, right? And then yeah, this is the TV, and then this is my mirror. Don't mind my clothes, man, like I'm just chilling, dog. I didn't have to drip today, so yeah, man. But then yeah, the TV is nicely there, sound bar, everything, yeah. And my coffee table, you know, there's two joysticks for the PS5, as you can see right there, plus the PS5. And yeah, the Wi-Fi that I'm no longer using, because I'm now using Starlink. As you can see, that's the satellites for the Wi-Fi. It's not installed, so yeah, I'm using Starlink. And then yeah, man, also like this as well, right? These are my accessories for the drip, you know, when I'm going out. And yeah, one is missing though. I'm missing another chain. I have to still look for the things, because I haven't unpacked everything. But yeah, so this is it. Sitting room area done. And then we come to the trading setup, right? So this is my beautiful trading setup. So I'm gonna start with the stand. Remember guys, the past few months or weeks, my stand was dead, and people were making fun of it that I'm putting a shoe, because yeah, it was dead here, right, on these things. So I had to buy a new one, because it was sliding, and there was a risk of my phone falling down. It once did fall, my phone, but it didn't break. But yeah, okay, the stand is, this one is a heavy duty stand. This is the brand, as you can see right there. So this is actually a camera stand, not even a phone stand, but camera stand. Just that I wanted something of high quality, so that is why I opted for this, right? This is aluminium here, because the other brackets of the other stand were plastic, so that's why they broke easily, right? So this one is now aluminium, and then aluminium everything. The stand is just aluminium, and then this is aluminium as well. Only these things are plastic, this top on and this as well, but then majority of the stand is aluminium, and this was quite it's very expensive, right? It's very expensive. And then I can do everything here. One of the best stands I ever had. I like this one a lot, right? And then I haven't yet decided where to put my thing. I have to cover it though. I'm still saying that, but I'm not doing it. I know it makes the house a bit ugly, but then thing is I cannot throw away this box because I moved in, right? And it helped me a lot. If I didn't have this, the TV would have broke, and I break the TV, I'm fucked, because this TV is very expensive, right? It's very, very, very expensive. So I don't want to find myself going back and then buying another TV, because I cannot afford getting a smaller TV than this one. Even if this can break, I'd have to go back buy the same one, maybe even a bigger size, more maybe a 100-inch. I don't know, but then yeah, I need that a lot. Very important, very, very, very important box. But then yeah, I think the cover is like 600 to 700. Then I cover it, but then you see, now I have to like spend 700 covering a box, but I have to, and then I put it behind it so that it can be cute and clean. You know what I'm saying? And then this is gonna stay inside the house. I cannot leave this outside because it's very expensive equipment. Costed like 4,000, the satellites and this, so it's expensive a lot, so I cannot afford that. And then we come back to the setup now. So the setup is very simple. Okay, yeah, I bought a new monitor, right? So this is the monitor right there. It's a JVC, and it's a very high quality monitor, gaming monitor. And then the webcam, right, for streaming and my YouTube videos and all the other things. And then I have the stand there, right, where my laptop sits there for when I'm multitasking, doing multiple work. I can then use that one and then also work this side. And then this is my beautiful gaming PC. As you can see right there, I have RGB RAMs, RGB power supply, RGB fans, RGB motherboard, and also the table is RGB, just that I don't like lights in it. And now there's everything. I've removed some of the RGB on the table. And then I have my very fucked up graphics card that I have to change very soon. But then when I'm changing the graphics card, I have to change the CPU as well. But then I don't mind having these because I usually game on the PS5. So upgrading my specs for the PC would be redundant, right? Because I don't need to upgrade it yet, because I have the gaming PC. I can game perfectly there. So this is still fine because I can do my editing and work trading on the specs. And this is a 16 gigabyte RAM, yeah, and it also uses an SSD, 500 gigabytes SSD. So yeah, pretty much basic specs, but then I love it a lot. This PC here made everything happen because I was using it to power up my trading and everything. So I think that one is done. So there's a webcam, this the table, so everything, the aesthetic is nice. The chair is black, and then I have my black table, black things there, and then I like the white PC merges with the TV stand, the PS5, and also the this thing. Yes. Okay, so now we're done there, so we're coming this side. So what I'm gonna do here, my room is there, but then I'm not gonna be showing my room just for personal reasons. It's my private space. So yeah, but then yeah, my room is here, and yeah, and then this is a low passage, you understand? I have a low passage here, and then here I just have my other stuff put here. I have to throw this broken stand away, and I have to see where to put these things. I was thinking of getting a washing machine. I'm gonna put it here. Hopefully it does fit. But then yeah, so far it's just this. And then this is my lovely bathroom as well. So let me get in. And then yeah, so this is my small mirror. I have my things there, you know what I'm saying, for cleanliness purposes. And then I have my sink, my blue toilet, and then I have my bathtub as well. And then these are my dirty clothes. I need to send it to the dry clean, I think on Friday. But yeah, basically that's it. The house is very beautiful. Aluminium windows with this butlers. So yeah, all the windows are aluminium. I like aluminium as well because it's the modern houses. They usually have the aluminium yeah, window frames. And then here we just have my blinds for the kitchen, just fitted nicely with the aesthetic as well. It's brown here and then brown, and then I also added those things there because the blinds weren't fitting at the edges, so it was visible outside, right? So I put these in, and then yeah, that's perfect. And then yeah, man, that's it. And then here we have this beautiful lights, and there also the lights are also just cute lights, you know. It's not the basic ones, man, you understand, also there as well. So yeah, I think that's it, man, with the house tour. Like for you guys to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you on my next video. Yes sir.